If you like my videos, please subscribe, please put a like, and please ring that bell. Ring the bell. Okay. Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I've been quite busy. I'm sorry that I haven't been answering letters. I'm planning to do it today. You know, I was trying to get some things worked out. And, plus, what I go through with the house and the plants and this and that, And before I show you what I want you to do with this, let me show you something. Wait. Okay, there it goes. You see right there? A baby. And where's the other baby? It's real. Where's my finger? Okay, right there is another baby. This one gave 2 babies at one time. The mother is, she's crazy giving out babies. She's a, great-grandmother, and she still gives babies. She got a biggie one. So I'm very happy with this. I think that I might stay with the grandmother and with that one, or because that one is giving 2 instead of 1. So I'll probably stay with that. But anyway, that's not what I came for. But I wanted to put that up. Okay, I want you to look at this. Let me put it close. Do you know what it is? Or it gets blurry. Okay, do you know what that is? If you do, I'll tell you what. I'll give you a shout out. I'll check your video, your channel, and I will say very nice things about it. How about that? Just tell me what this is. That's all oh my God, it fell right there. It almost bit me. Okay, so if you know what that thing is, I'm going to pick it up now. If you know what that thing is, let me know, and I'll give you a good shout out. Okay, bye-bye.